In this video, I'm going to share with you some very useful information that should serve as a guide to enable you produce your own broiler starter feed. But first, before we dive into the feed formulation itself, it will be proper that we look at the age category for which we will be producing this feed for. This age category is for chicks from hatch to 10 days or at most 14 days, that is 2 weeks, from 0 day old to 2 weeks. So first we will consider the needs of chicks in this category. We will look at what they need and what they need that for. And after the formulation, I'm going to share with you some useful information as to why your broiler starter match that you may produce may slightly give a different result from the standard commercial starter feed that you purchase. I'll discuss some of the reasons that could account for that at the end of the video. Good quality broiler starter feed is essential for the development of biological futures of the bird. That is to say, the purpose of this feed is not to minimize cost but optimize performance. The starter feed formulation shared with you in this video contains at least 23% crude protein and a total metabolizable energy of at least 2,900 kilocalories per kilogram. Also, the high protein content and calcium content are essential for the development of feathers and strong bones to support the weights of the chicks as they grow. Milling your starter feed particles to between 1.5 and 3 millimeters will increase feed intake and overall performance. Here are a few reasons why the performance of broiler starter feed that is personally produced might be slightly different from that which is produced by broiler starter feed commercial companies. First, most commercial starter feed producers these days add some probiotics or good bacteria during the formulation process in order to enhance good gut health in the gut of the chicks. Secondly, they have the machinery to be able to transform their starter feeds into crumbles or pellets. The performance advantage that this technique has lies on the fact that each crumble or pellet contains a complete mix of all the ingredients. So each time a chick picks up a crumble or pellet, it's getting a complete diet. Also, the size of this machinery that is used to pelletize or to transform this feed into crumbles has been designed such that most of the feed grains are between 1.5 and 3 millimeters, which also encourages feed intake and of course overall performance. On the other hand, if the starter match personally produced lacks this consistency, it's going to result to what we call selective feed intake. That is to say, the chicks are going to select the feed particles that they like and they will avoid the other. And as a result, performance might drop due to malnutrition. So if you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notification and check on other videos on the channel.